Let us start with the third argument. That is, this is related to the third argument. Democracy provides the method to deal with differences and conflicts. Yeah, so it is a way in a society that every person is unique and it is having own differences, and many times there are conflicts among the ideas and views. So this is the best way to deal with it. In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinion and interests because they come from a diverse culture, diverse languages, diverse lifestyle. So definitely this is sure apart. It is not possible कि हर इंसान एक ही ब्रॉटअप में हो, एक ही स्टाइल में हो, एक ही कम्युनिटी में और एक ही तरीके से रह सके. It is not possible at all. Yeah, so this will happen. So this is the best way to deal this differences and conflicts. Let's see how these differences are particularly sharp in a country like ours, which has an amazing social diversity. Yeah, we are example of a social diversity. Itne different cultures, religion, different languages, different festivals. Yeah, so for us, so this is, people belong to different regions, speak different languages, practice different religion, and have different caste. They look at the world very differently and have different preferences also. हर इंसान का एक अलग तरीका है. There is a different way to look at the world. Maybe the development for you is not development for me. Yeah, growth for you is not growth for me. Yeah, so there is lot many differences in country like India. Yeah, so how it is working out. The preferences of one group can clash with those of other groups. How do we resolve such a conflict? Okay, the conflict can be solved by brutal power. Whichever group is more powerful will dictate its term and the other have to accept. हम ये देखते हैं कि normally more powerful try to dominate other, but it is not possible or practical at all. It will not last long. जब तक वो power है, जब तक control है, or the other person is able to bear it, only till that only these things are practical. But in a long run, with the progress and development, this will not work. Yeah, but that would lead to resentment and unhappiness. जब आप unhappy होगे, then you started to rebel, you started to revolt, you started to oppose. एक लिमिट तक बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं, फिर हम नहीं कर सकते, तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम oppose करते हैं. Different group may not be able to live together for long in such a way. जैसे आज अपना environment देखो, the colony you live, the society you live, there are different people, but there are certain rule amendment for everybody. दिस रूल्स आर डन सबके डिस्कशन के साथ. कभी कभी हमें वो सोसाइटी के रूल्स एंड टर्म्स को चेंज करना पड़ता है सो दैट वी कैन लिव पीसफुली with each other. Yeah, they celebrate mostly all the major festivals of different religion. Democracy provides the only peaceful solution to this problem. In democracy, no one is a permanent winner, no one is a permanent loser. Different groups can live with one another peacefully. In a diverse country like India, democracy keeps our country together. So this is the way only, this is the third point, that democracy provides the method to deal with. because हमारे यहाँ freedom है democracy में. आज हमने जो मिनिस्टर को चूज़ किया है या जो elections, through elections we have selected people to work for us. At a point if we think they are not working or they are just supporting to a certain community or certain language speaking people only, we have right to overthrow them and then select somebody else. So there is no permanent winner in the democracy. Yeah, so there is no permanent loser. Everybody, those who do good will be part of the democracy. Now let's come to the fourth point. Now these three arguments were about the effects of democracy on the quality of government and the social life, but the strongest argument for the democracy is not about what democracy does to the government. It is about what democracy does to the citizen. It's not कि वो गवर्नमेंट को कैसे हेल्प करती है डेमोक्रेसी. इट्स अबाउट हाउ दिस डेमोक्रेसी इज इफेक्टिंग द सिटीजन्स, दोज हु हैव इलेक्टेड दिस पीपल टू वर्क ऑन देयर बिहाफ. Even if the democracy does not bring about any better decisions and accountable government, it is still better than other forms of government. कैसे? Democracy enhances the dignity of the citizen. As we discussed about, democracy is based on the principle of political equality, on recognizing that the poorest and the least educated has the same status as the rich and the educated. So here democracy try to give each person. So if there are any policies are framed, yeah, they, so some policies are common for everybody without discrimination, rich, poor, educated, uneducated. Some policies are framed for the more needed sections of the society so that they can perform it much better. People are not subject of a ruler, they are the ruler themselves. Even when they make mistakes, they are responsible for their conduct. Yeah, so this is the way, like, it's about enhances the dignity of a person. If you are wrong, then you are responsible for the same thing, you cannot deny it. Yeah, so this is the way, this is the four ways we have tried to convince or favor the argument of democracy. Yeah, so it's we have one more to go, which will be doing it now.